Hello everyone, I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the subscribe button to Pi News World and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. The PiNetwork, created by Stanford graduates, aims to democratize cryptocurrency by enabling smartphone mining. Its mobile app mining approach significantly reduces energy consumption and enhances user friendliness. Over 35 million users have joined the network, highlighting its growing popularity and community-driven model. The network's inclusive design appeals especially to emerging markets with limited access to mining hardware. Concerns include the delayed mainnet launch and the Pi coin's absence on major exchanges. Overall enthusiasm for Pi points to a shift toward more accessible and inclusive financial systems. The Pi network is rapidly gaining attention as a groundbreaking decentralized cryptocurrency, harnessing the power of everyday users. Developed by a team of Stanford graduates, the network aims to revolutionize digital currency by making it accessible to everyone, not just tech-savvy individuals or professional miners. What sets PiNetwork apart is its innovative approach to mining. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, Pi allows users to mine coins from a mobile app, minimizing energy consumption and making it user-friendly. As of 2023, the network has amassed over 35 million pioneers, eager to participate in this new ecosystem. The promise of Pi lies in its potential to democratize cryptocurrency access. By enabling smartphone mining, it leverages the power of collective contribution, challenging the centralized control of digital assets. This aspect is particularly attractive for emerging markets where access to expensive mining hardware is limited. Yet, PiNetwork is not without controversy. Critics question its long-term viability and the delay in launching its mainnet, where actual transactions can occur outside the Pi ecosystem. Skeptics also debate its current value, as Pi coins are not yet traded on major exchanges. Despite these challenges, the enthusiasm for Pi reflects a broader trend toward more inclusive financial systems. As we look to the future, the success of PiNetwork could redefine how digital currency ecosystems operate, bringing us closer to a world where everyone holds a stake in the burgeoning crypto economy. The PiNetwork revolution. Can it democratize cryptocurrency for all? Let's dive into the pros and cons of PiNetwork. Pros: accessibility. With its mobile app mining feature, PiNetwork enables users to mine cryptocurrency without expensive hardware, democratizing access to digital currency. Energy efficiency. Unlike conventional cryptocurrencies, Pi requires minimal energy consumption, making it environmentally friendly. Community growth. Boasting over 35 million pioneers, PiNetwork has shown significant user engagement and a growing community. Cons: mainnet delays. The long-awaited launch of PiNetwork's mainnet remains pending, leading to skepticism about operational viability. Lack of exchange trading. Pi coins are not available on major cryptocurrency exchanges, which raises questions about their liquidity and real-world value. Market uncertainty. Critics question the sustainability of Pi's business model and its future impact on the crypto market. Let's explore some of the innovations and features of PiNetwork. PiNetwork's most notable innovation is its mobile-first approach to cryptocurrency mining. It eliminates the need for intricate setups, making digital currency generation accessible to anyone with a smartphone. The network also fosters community engagement through a referral system, incentivizing existing users to recruit new members and expand the Pi ecosystem organically. Now, let's delve into the market analysis and some key questions. In 2023, the PiNetwork has garnered a community of over 35 million users who are intrigued by its mission of inclusivity. As digital currencies become increasingly mainstream, emerging markets represent a significant growth opportunity for Pi. If the mainnet launch succeeds and the coins gain traction on major exchanges, market analysts predict Pi could potentially disrupt traditional digital asset models, further emphasizing decentralized and widely accessible finance. Key questions. Will PiNetwork's mainnet launch soon? Launching the mainnet is crucial for PiNetwork's transition from concept to reality. The development team commits to taking the necessary steps for a successful launch, but no official timeline is available. Users remain eager and hopeful for announcements regarding the mainnet's arrival. Can PiNetwork maintain user interest if it doesn't enter major exchanges? While it's a significant concern, PiNetwork can maintain engagement through continued community-building efforts and by providing tangible benefits to its users, such as new features and collaborations that showcase practical applications for Pi coins. How does PiNetwork ensure the security of its transactions and user data? PiNetwork employs advanced security protocols similar to other blockchain technologies to protect user data and transactions.